Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
Are you having a good time today?
Yeah, we're having a great time.
What are you up to?
Water.
Oh, have you?
Yeah, we're going to get some pasties now.
Yeah. You on holiday?
No.
Oh, you're not?
We
Oh, you
live
live
in Exeter, yeah.
Oh, you live in Exeter?
Yeah. So kind of a holiday.
Okay. Yeah. Well, it's a handy place to come to, isn't it?
Yeah.
You know,
It's nice
not
change.
far from Exeter.
My parents used to live in Dawlish.
Oh, did they?
Yeah.
Did you grow up in Dawlish?
No, I grew up in Exeter.
Okay.
Lived here for a little bit.
Yeah, Exeter's lovely.
Yeah.
And what do you all do with yourselves?
We all work at Ikea.
Oh, do you really?
Right, throw that one in. Yeah, good place to work, really enjoy
Yeah,
it.
it's lovely. I love it though. Yeah.
Have you been there long?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No.
Well, yeah.
Yeah.
Where is the IKEA around here?
It's in Exeter.
Yeah.
So
Yeah,
in
it's
Digby and Southend.
Yeah.
It's a really nice place to go.
So I suppose a lot of your stuff at home is from IKEA.
Yeah.
Everybody loves it, don't they?
Everyone loves Ikea. It's very
Yeah.
handy and affordable for everyone.
Yeah. Yeah. And what is your name, please?
Lily.
Lily.
Yeah.
Pleased to meet you.
Sarah.
Sarah.
Liv.
Pardon?
Liv.
Liv.
Yeah.
Pleased to meet you all.
Oh, lovely to meet you as well.
And what do you do in your spare time?
Go swimming in the sea.
Yeah.
Pretty much.
Hang out with each other, go to the movies.
I do painting. In
Oh,
my
do
spare
you?
time,
Yeah, she's a really good artist.
Yeah.
Do you show your work?
I don't have any with me, but
She made this cardigan.
Oh, that is so nice.
Yeah.
Can I zoom in on it, please? I really like that.
She also sells her stuff for like
Do you have a
Yeah.
channel or something? Do you want to turn around so I can get the back?
oh yeah.
I
I
love
made
that.
this dress as well.
Oh
Actually.
wow!
No, she's really
Can I get the dress in?
Yeah.
Oh wow!
Sorry, I don't talk about it often.
Turn around so I can get the back of the dress, if you
No
will.
one's ever shown this much interest in your skills.
No, I do like it.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
No, I'm gonna try. I'm making a dress for Lily actually.
Yeah, she is.
Do you have a
But
channel?
She's going to a wedding soon.
Oh, is she?
Yeah.
Oh, that's.
Um,
So you'll have like a unique dress to wear.
Yeah.
Sarah's
Unique
really
is
good.
a good way to put it.
Liv doesn't like the kind of fashion I wear. But
Don't you?
Liv's wearing the Beatles top, so.
It's her favourite band.
Roasted.
Do you sell the cardigan type you've got on?
No, actually, I only actually really made a couple. I've got another one in my bag.
You're right.
See it like
Like,
local
they're
car
just
beauty
like
centres
that.
and stuff that she sells stuff.
Yeah.
Oh,
I mean,
really?
maybe
You could
I've
have-
just sat there and then.
Yeah.
I thought you would have your own sort of.
No, I've never thought about that.
Maybe
Online.
Yeah, I mean,
went for it.
I'm quite happy at IKEA, but.
No, I know, but like it's a side job.
Yeah.
I think-
Yeah, yeah, definitely. It's a side job.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Make sure you tell the tax people got 2 jobs.
What colour is the one you've got in your bag?
Oh, it's just like a beige. kind of
Beige.
colour.
That goes with everything, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got the green because it's sunny. So.
I'd like one of those in pink.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah. And how much would you sell one like that for, do you think?
I don't know, like
Now's your time. We could actually get some orders in
maybe
for you.
£5 to £8.
£5 to £8.
Quite good.
Yeah.
8 then. But yeah, no, I haven't even thought about doing that. Yeah.
Would you like to give a number now or an email if somebody wants a cardigan or a dress like what you've got on?
No, give your email.
I don't think I could set it up that quickly. I think maybe I could comment.
Well, they could get in.
No,
They
but
could
if
get in
you
touch
give
with
your
you.
email, they
Comment
could
it on
email
the-
you.
Comment it
on the video. I mean, Lily, did you make any of those? Or?
Oh, did you make the necklaces?
Right, I picked the shelves up from the beach.
Oh
And
well,
then
you're
she-
quite
I used
all
to live in New
arty,
Zealand,
aren't you?
so-
Yeah.
I love that.
Thank you.
Okay, thank you for that.
Yeah. No. So if anybody wanted any of your clothes, could they get in touch?
Yeah, definitely.
Can you say your email, please?
I can leave it below, but I won't say it.
Oh, okay. So if they get in touch with me, then I
Yeah.
can pass it on to you. And would you like to sell any of your necklaces?
I think if you just buy some string and some, it's a good way to get down to your local beach because I got these near Exeter at a place called Exeter.
But you could actually sell and make some profit for yourself.
Yeah, but I have a job, so I don't.
Yeah.
do this.
You don't have the time, really.
No, this is it. It's the time,
Yeah,
isn't
yeah,
it?
definitely.
Well, lovely meeting you
Lovely
all,
to meet you as well.
and enjoy the rest of your day.
You too. Enjoy your day. I love the hat.
Oh, thank you. I do like my hats,
Yeah, I love it. Okay.
and I just brought this necklace.
Oh, very nice.
Can't really show it on. Oh. Oh, anyway, sorry. It's all big pearls, as you can see.
Yeah, they're really nice.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, I'll say goodbye for now.
Oh yeah. Bye. Goodbye.
Thanks for your time. Bye. Bye.